Hi my students, let's look at page 184 of your workbook. Question 5. Let's write down today's date first, 13th of April 2020. So in this question, they give us a dot diagram which represent an annual increment given to 20 employees of a law firm. So this question asks us to find the mean, median and mode of this distribution. So first thing, let's find out what's the mean. So in order to find the mean, we know that we need to add up all the increment for this individual values given. So you need to find out what's the total value. Divide by the total number of employee. So in this case is 20. So in order to find out what's the total value, we need to multiply accordingly. So let me use a green pen to write down how many dots are there, the number of data value, which is the number of dots, and let me use a blue pen to write out what's the annual increment. So since it's 2 and there are 1 of them, so it's times 1. The next one will be 4. So there's only 1 4, so I write out 4 first, times 1. So in the exam, if there's only one number, you can just write as 4 by itself. You don't need to times 1. So there's 3 dots right in between 4 and 6. So the number between 4 and 6, it will be 5. So I plus 5 times 3. So I need to multiply the values for each of these dots. So for 6, it will be 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 6 plus 7 times 2. Okay, let me correction tape away first since there's no space. Plus 8 times 3 plus 10 times 3. And for those that don't have any dots on it, no dots, no dots, no dots, it will just be 0. So we plus any numbers times 0, it will be 0. So we can just leave it out. So plus 18 times 1. Divide by 20 employee. So the mean, it will just be, we multiply out all the numbers and add them up, divide by 20. Okay, so after we multiply out and add up all the numbers in the numerator, it will be, and divided by 20, it will be 7.15. So this is our mean increment. So now we need to find out what is the median. So let me use a red pen to draw out the divider. So we know that to find median is the middle value. So in this case, we know that there are 20 data points. So number of data points, it will be 20. So we need to find out the position of the median. It will be n plus 1 divided by 2. So in this case, n will be 20 plus 1 divided by 2. So the position of the median, it will be 10.5. So this means that our median, it will be between 10 and the 11 position. So between the 10 and 11 position, we need to count what is the data at the 10 position. So in this case, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the 10 and 11 positions falls within the annual increment of 6. So since both 10 and position number, they are 6, we can just say that the median is 6 because 6 plus 6 divided by 2, it will always be 6 again. So our median in this case, it will be 6. So when both datas of these two positions are the same, when we find the average, it will give us the same value again. So we don't need to take 6 plus 6 divided by 2 because it will give us 6 also. So this will be our median. So for our mode means the number that frequently appear, or means it appear the most number of times. So for mode, let's check. Between all of these data points over here, which are the data points that has the most number of dots? So I believe we can see that the most number of data points falls at the region of 6. So in this case, our mode will be 6. So this is it.